Good day, magandang araw! Fiudo di Kalbong na Freno Kublaan de Pilipinas. Again, this is Teacher Marvin, isang Blaan teacher here in Thailand. Okay, so let's continue learning about Blaan orthography and alphabets. But first, we have to focus about vowels. Okay, how many vowels in Blaan? K, Dad, Funi. In English, there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. But in Blaan, we have 6. Dadfuni. Okay. Nam, Dadfuni. There are 6 vowels in Blaan. Okay. What are they? First, we have letter A, E, adunay I nga nay kilay, I, O, U. Again, A, E, another E, I, O, U. Okay, kutab na sa ato ang pagbigkas ng patinig or vowels in Blaan. Okay. A, A, E, E, I, O, U. Okay, for example, agul, alwu, el or yeel, ool, utub. Okay, hopefully naamoy natunan. Goodbye. Thank you.